guys, og nanasad ta sa segment na mo nga Alexa, good day.
I can't find the answer to the question I heard.
Sabot ay. Alexa, who is Mayor Duterte?
Sorry, I don't have the answer to that
Pasensya na
question.
guys, wala pa na-register si Duterte sa kang Alexa ha.
OMG.
Nakita sila ni Tenten! Sila ni Tenten! Sila ni Tenten! Ay! Kabalo na si Tenten, Cham?
Oh, I think he's trying to get back.
Og nananaw dahil mi og Dulce Amore Forever. Dulce. Alexa, maayong buntag.
Wala ko kasabot.
Maayong adlaw og naami karon sa Redmond Town Center, Redmond, Washington. O anime sa IPIC Theaters sa Nika Theater nga Chada. Abi na mong dali-dali.
Traffic kayo.
Traffic kayo.
1 hour.
Dagan og 1 hour ang Washington.
Wrong way. It's you.
You'll be in theater 2, second on the left.
Theater. Thank you.
Thank you. Spelling. Carsar.
Well, let me know.
Carsar. Ngano na? Ikaw bitaw? Dili ka ga-proofread sa imong mga ginatayop. Kasi
My name is Carsar.
Carsar.
Taga-car day ko day.
Asa daw?
Two.
Cinema 2?
Dili ka paminaw, girl. Just Cinema 2 on your left.
Tomato and tomatillo and beautiful chile called chile morita, which is kind of a fancy cousin to chipotle. And then when we make these tacos, are made with beautiful
Only us.
black sugar. So we
F7, F8.
I think this one.
A little bit of onion, just to the point where it's getting nice and sweet.
Oh, that one?
Toss in
I think this one though.
F7.
just to the point where they start changing.
Right guys, so
Tortilla hit the teeth.
nanami sulod sa theater and mauni siya. Inani ang
And too
sulod.
many people are tempted to eat the taco like this. Okay, no, no, no.
That's the way I do it.
No, no, no. Tilt your head a little bit,
Tilt the head.
like this. Finger up.
Finger up.
Teeth on both sides of the tortilla.
Then,
Yep.
Like that.
mani mong seat.
That's the way to do taco.
The only thing na ganahan ako dari is ma-recline magud siya ang seat.
Like that.
Tapos,
And delicious.
pwede maka-order of food.
Everybody, all together, all the flavors together.
Narang menu.
Yummy.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for inviting me.
This is a
Kidding?
delicious treat.
Thank you. Treat to be with you. Oh, my secret.
Each month, we're showing off how you iPick. Your chance to be up here on the big screen. Just snap a selfie in any of our theaters, hashtag how do you iPick, and tag.
Come with me now! No, this is my life!
We're taking off!
Can't just be a coincidence that she showed up.
She's a lovely baby.
It's her mother.
I am her mother.
Someone knows that my girl is alive.
With love forever and ever and ever. Starfleet because he believed in it.
Free popcorn. Free popcorn. Free popcorn. Gutom na kayo.
Paris. To do what?
Join up with the Queen's emissary. You know, America was the first country to...
Buried my Alice. My dear Alice.
Because his spirit came from them.
Bago lang nahuman namong kita nga Tarzan o kamera inananaw guys. Walay kauban, walay tao. Kami lang solo lang yun. Og nahurot amo mong pagkaon nga wala na. Sushi o pizza. Nindot kay makatulog kami kay na recliner dere so. Ito na dam kay hagtag ang schedule. Hala, nget lagi. Bathroom man eh. The best. Piera. O mag-bathroom ko, guys. Tanaw na to lang bathroom. Kung pwede maligo. Ay, murag nakabuhi sa kuan ba Django.
Ngit, burakag si Tarzan, ngit.
Oo. Kadumdum nga sa kanta nga. Tarzan, hari ng kagubatan. Barok, hari ng nabuno. Sila ay magkaibigan. Sila ay bata pa.
Mingaw ba? Mingaw ilang kuan. Alam ngit, murag. Ngit, kaditang murag. Naikit ang nawag sa ako.
Hey, miss, manlakaw namin. Hapit na sad mi og kuan. Mga chorba bells.
Oh, look on. Masyak ko. Hi!
Adto mi og unsa nang mo?
Bellevue Square.
Bellevue Square.
Every time we touch, I feel the best. I have to take it every time we kiss. I swear I can fly. Yes, you feel my heart beat fast. I want us to last. I need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the touch. And every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. I wanna be my lover. You have got to give. Taking is too easy, but that's the way it is. Something to do. I think I wanna marry you. I will cross the ocean for you. I will go and bring you the moon. I will be your hero. Girl, alone, just to be the summer soul. Take me home, where the trees are made of gold. In the zone, where the beat is in control. I know what it feels like. Come on, make me feel alive. I wanna be like, woo! Instantly.
Oh, bago lang may naman.
Round 1!
Round 1. Nga video okay with the guys out there.
Fun! Fun! Wala na akong bosses, oh. This is Gladys. Gladys. My homie. My homie. Ayan, yan. Break dance.
what a blast. Lingaw
I
kay
know.
may karaoke.
It was fun.
Round 1 here at South Center Mall. Nindot siya.
One last time, I need to be the one who takes you home.
Open. Alright. I love the sun. Shucks. This is shiny. Shiny. Woo!
Like, it was
It was a blast today.
fun.
And where we're heading.
I think we need to eat dinner.
Where are we going to eat? You know, Blue Sea Sushi.
Blue Sea Sushi.
Kay gipang gutom mi. Bag ora may nakaabot karon og gigutog nabusog mi. So excited kaya kung misis kay niabot ang iyang package nga unsa di mo package madam?
1C. Wala, open lagi. Why?
Unsa na Pokemon Go? Oh, jacket.
Jacket. Dako ka, ayaw na food.
Sa pa yung bande?
Paito eh. Aday, okay naman. Ma-shrink naman na siya.
Dito siya.
Oh, this is yours, I think. Oh yeah, this is yours here.
Large? That's large.
Yeah.
I try.
Oh. Oh my god. It's big. Ha. Ha. Hello Kitty. Wait, I need to exchange this.
Hi guys, ug mo ni akong bag-o nga 1Z.
1C.
Joke ra ganing, come on. Parang mga kagnaanad sa ako. Alexa, stop. Alexa, next. Alexa, next.
Yeah, perfect naman ang day mo. No, it's not like that. It's like this.
Ang ganda ko kita.
Ano man na?
Mao na siya guys, among kinabuhi diri sa Ilag Sayaw, gipangkapoy mi og salamat sa pagpananaw og sunod Wednesday mag-upload sa mi og weekly vlog og unta mo subscribe mo na i-subscribe diya sa ubos o naka-zoom in man ay kulitson. Alright guys, have a good night and bye-bye. Mabuhay and aloha.